If the Uber Eats app isn't working, don't panic. There's a genius way to fix it fast. Whether it's crashing, freezing, or not loading orders, here's how to get back on track. First, close the app completely and restart your phone. This simple step clears up any temporary glitches. Next, check if you're using the latest version of the app. Head to the App Store or Google Play and update Uber Eats if needed. Still not working? Try using Uber Eats through your browser by visiting ubereats.com. Log in and place your order from your phone or computer. No app required. Also, check your internet connection. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, and if all else fails, clear the app cache on Android or delete and reinstall the app on iPhone. These genius fixes work most of the time and get you back to ordering food in seconds. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more genius life hacks and app troubleshooting tips.